Michelle here with Strawberry, and today I am partnering with Ceya. They sent me a bunch of glitter type products, and I'm going to show you everything that I got, and then we're going to make a card. First of all, I got this really pretty, it's called Crushed Broken Glass, and it's in this rose gold color, and they're big chunky pieces. And this would be great, I think, as shaker stuff in a shaker card. So I'm gonna have to make one of those soon. I also got the crushed glass, crushed broken glass in a gold. And that is beautiful as well. Then I got this mica powder. So this is a very fine powder, and it's in the rose gold color. And you can use this like with your stamping. You can put this in other products. This is just really cool. This is one of my favorites that I got. It is Mickey Mouse glitters. They are little round Mickey Mouse heads, and I just think that is absolutely adorable. Now this one is a glitter paint additive, and it's in kind of a holographic color. And when you sprinkle it on, it's really just a very fine powdery glitter. And then this, in this blue, is actually fine glitter and ultrafine glitter. Ultrafine glitter powder, I believe is what it's called. And they are very similar properties. So those are all the things that I purchased individually. Then I got some sets. And so I got a set of these broken glass. And so these are just like the big bottles. Let me find a different color that I haven't shown you. Of the broken glass, except I got tons of colors. How many colors did I get? I don't know. I think I got like a bunch, like 32 or something. I mean, it was kind of crazy how much I got. Yep, 32. Okay, the next one is this holographic set. And this holographic set had a bunch in it and a bunch of different colors, and all of them, when you tilt them different ways, they look different colors. And it came in all of these colors. And then the last set that I got is called Chunky Glitter. And let me find a color I haven't used. How about a green? This green. And this one, what I like about this is you got big chunks of glitter and you have fine pieces of glitter, so that it's gonna have really good coverage. And I am just really excited about all of these different glitters, and I'm not gonna be able to use all of them, of course, in one video. So make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you can come back and see some other projects that I do with them. And if you have some ideas for some project with all this glitter, because I'm not sure, leave it in the comments below so that I can have an idea of what to do next. Now, I made this last night and then realized the sound wasn't working on my video. So I'm gonna put in that footage and talk to you right now. So what I did is I took double-sided tape and I put it down diagonally in rows, and then I sprinkled glitter all over it, burnished it in a little bit, pulled it off, and then wiped it with a Swiffer cloth to get off some of that extra glitter. And this is going to be the background now for a card that I'm going to make for you. So, back to live. Let's push some of this glitter out of the way. I have a purple piece of paper here, and I'm going to use my die cuts and cut out the words thank you. So here's the thank you that I cut out, and I'm going to put it through my sticker maker, And normally, you put things through your sticker maker right side up so that they put glue on the back. But I'm going to put them in upside down so that the glue goes on the front. Come on, go in. And now I'm going to make sure that these are burnished down really well. I'm going to peel off the liner. And that makes my letters sticky. So now I'm going to take some of, we'll do this one. It's called Galaxy. Okay, so now I'm going to sprinkle this on. I'm going to make sure that it gets stuck to it really well. Did y'all see what I just did? I did nothing. And now I knocked that over. Okay, so I made a mistake. The glue, the adhesive, is on the other side. So I am going to get glitter all over the front side now. You ever have one of those days where, you know, things are going wrong? Like last night I filmed it and things went okay, except there was no sound. Okay, now you probably can't see this because there's glitter everywhere. Normally, you can take your paper and you can pour your glitter back into your jar, but I've already spilled half of it. You can take a Swiffer and you can kind of clean up your area a little bit with that. Okay, so here's my thank you. And because of the chunky pieces, they kind of go over the edges a little bit. So I'm just kind of making sure that the edges are not completely covered. Like there's a little hole in the K. I want to make sure it's visible so you can see that it's a K. So I'm going to cut this piece down so that it's just smaller than a standard A2 card. I got my card base. I'm going to put some adhesive on the back of my homemade glitter paper. I'm going to stick that on the front of my card base. And I think I'm going to just take these and run them back through my sticker maker again. This time right side up. Now, when I burnish it down, not only am I helping to get the sticky sticking, I'm also helping to get that glitter to really stay on. Peel up my backing paper. I can't even grab hold of this. Has that ever happened to you? Let me know what kind of mistakes you make in crafting sometimes. Do you rush and find yourself having more problems? My mom once told me, if you make a mistake sewing, stop. Do something else for a while because it only gets worse. All right, so I have my thank you as a glittery sticker. I'm going to set it on top of my homemade glitter paper. And there you have it. Cute glittery card. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video of my Ceya unboxing, showing off collection of glitter, plus this card that I made. Make sure in the comments that you tell me another project that you think I can do with glitter because I've got a lot of it. And I want to make some really cool things with all this glittery yumminess. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out when I do use it. Give this video a thumbs up and toodles! I love glitter, I really do. It's really fun, but it gets everywhere. And I asked my mom what else I could do with my glitter and if she had any ideas, and she suggested that I send it home with the misbehaving students at school. I laughed out loud.